Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to view your loan payoff amounts in Lendingclub. If you want to pay off your Lendingclub loan early, or you just want to see how much is left, you're going to need the payoff amounts rather than just the balance. The payoff amount includes your principal, any interest accrued up to the payoff date, and sometimes even small fees. Let's get into it. The first step is to log into Lendingclub. Sign in through the app, or you can use the website and sign in with your credentials. Next step is to go to your loan details. And from your dashboard, just select the loan that you want to review. Next is to locate the payoff option. Now, in the loan summary page, you'll usually see a section that's labeled payoff amount or request payoff quote. Next is to select a payoff date. Now, since interest occurs daily, the exact payoff figure will depend on the dates that you choose. You want to pick the dates that you plan to make the payment. Next is to generate the payoff statements. Lendingclub will show you the total amount required. You can view it directly in the app, or you can just download an official payoff letter. Next and final is to use the payoff details. If you intend to pay off, you can transfer funds through the app, or you can just send the payoff amount from your linked bank account. And that's it. You now know exactly how much is needed to clear your loan balance completely. And I hope that was helpful enough. If you found it useful, then like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.